Alright, so this is a 2001 F150, and it has these little lens covers. And basically how this works is, I'm going to show you how to put them on, and that'll kind of help you get them off. But basically you need to plug in your blinker, first of all. But anyway, it goes like this. So these two little teeth basically go down in here like this. The third one goes over here. And so if you slip this in like that, and then get the third one, and then basically it'll lean back towards the mirror and clip in. And so what's going to happen is if I push this all the way home, these two right here, this one and this one, these two slide in here and engage on some teeth. And so the way to get this undone is you come in here on the mirror side, and basically you tip this mirror forward, and you can do it this way or the nice way. But anyway, if you look down in there, you see that little hook right here? There's that little hook right there. And then there's another one right here. Whoops. Let's see if it'll focus right there. Anyway, you stick a screwdriver down in here, down like in between the mirror right here, and you can get in there and disengage those little clips. So basically once you get this clip and this clip, then this whole cover will like fold away from you, and then you can take those three out. So anyway, give it a shot, see how it works for you. I don't know if the double-sided tape here is factory or if somebody else added that, but either way, we'll just kind of shove that back in there. You gotta make sure you tuck your harness back in there a little bit. Alright, so as you look back in there, that left one is clipped, but this right hand one didn't quite get clipped. You can see it's hovering, so I'm going to reach in there with a screwdriver and get it clipped down over so it doesn't fall out. That's something you want to watch for. Alright, well there it is, all buttoned up, and inside there I got to clean off a little compound and other things, but yeah, that's it. That's how you put it on. Thanks for watching.